Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to download and install MongoDB and Mongo Shell in our local system. Currently I am using a Windows 10 operating system, so that we need to follow some steps to download it in our local machine. At first we need to open our browser, and then we need to visit the MongoDB's official site. Here you can see the site is open here, and after opening this, you need to go to the product section, and here you can see the community edition of MongoDB is available here, and uh, yeah, you need to click here. Yeah, as you can see, after clicking the download button, we have redirected at the download page, and here you can see the current version of MongoDB is 8.0.1, and it detects our local machine, Windows 64-bit, and we need to install MSI package. Okay, for that we need to click here download button, and after clicking that button, you can see here download process is here. I will terminate this process because I have already downloaded it in our local system. And one more thing I would like to tell you, that tool that we require MongoDB Shell. After clicking that, will redirect to the download page of Mongo Shell. Here you can see the current version of Mongo Shell is 2.5.2. Okay, and same process here also. We need to click here, and then we'll see solution. But here one thing I will suggest you, that you don't need to download zip package. Rather, you have to select this, and after selecting this, you need to click here, and you can see the download process is start. But currently will not download this, but I have it downloaded already in our local system, and here you can see the set files are available here, like MongoSS and MongoDB. Okay, first of all, we need to double click here, and then here you can see the installation wizard is opened here, and after that it opens like this change, repair, or remove installation, because we have already installed it in our system. So currently I'm not installing it again. If you new, then you need to follow these steps, and it's simply installed in your system. There is no tricky thing. And then you need to click double click here, and after clicking that, you can see here the Mongo Shell card is seen here, and after that same UI we will share, because we have already installed it in our system. So that's why I'm not installing it. Okay, and for verify the installation package is MongoDB has successfully installed in your system. You need to open your command prompt, and then we need to run mongo mongo. Okay, yes, and after entering this command, you will see some information of your MongoDB assets. Here you can see the 8.0.1 MongoDB's version, and Mongo SS version is 10. Okay. And here you can see the you have entered in the sample database in your MongoDB, and here if we want to create a database, we need to use this command, like use, give a name of my database, like ecom. Okay. Ecom is my database name. Then we need to enter, and as you can see here, we have switched to our ecom DB, and here if we want to create a collection in our database, we need to enter this command, db.create collection. Enter the collection name, that is user and then we close brackets. Then here you can see the output is okay, it is 1. If we want to show our collection, then we need to use this command show collections or collections. Okay, and here you can see the users collection that I have recently created it. That's all. Hope you enjoyed in entire video. If you got this video is helpful for you, then please like this video. And if you new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, and stay tuned for such kind of video. Thank you for watching.